this video, I'll show you how to automatically add subtitles to your videos using Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new video project. Choose your preferred video resolution. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your video. Drag it onto the timeline.
Hey everyone,
adjust the video to fit the page by resizing it as needed.
To your videos using Canva.
Next, click the Text tab and select Captions. Choose the video page you're working on. Here, we have one page, and click Generate Captions. Wait for Canva to generate the subtitles. Once done, you can edit the text, change the font, adjust the size, or add text effects to match your style. And that's it. Your video now has customizable subtitles. If this tutorial helped, subscribe to the channel for more quick design tips. Thanks for watching.